home to just project the video clips for you to watch. And after watching, I'm going to ask you some questions. Please, I want you to concentrate. Watch if you do not have laptops with you, and if you do have, just follow up. Go to Kind Academic and watch.
Different properties. Not only do they have different properties, one might reflect light a certain way or not reflect light, or be a certain color, or have a certain at a certain temperature, be liquid or gas, or be a solid. But we also start to observe how they react to each other. And here's some pictures of some of these things. This right here is carbon. This right here is lead. This right here is gold. And all of the ones that I've drawn all of these are in their solid form. We also know that it looks like there's certain types of air, certain types of air particles, depending on what type of air particles you're looking at, whether it is carbon or oxygen or nitrogen. That's the temperature properties. Or there's some other things that can be liquid, or even if you get the temperature high enough on these things, if you raise the temperature high enough on gold or lead, you get a liquid. Or if you burn this carbon, you can get it to a gaseous state, release it into gaseous state, because it's humanity has observed for thousands of years. But it leads to a massive question that used to be a philosophical question. Now we can answer it a little bit better. And that question is, if you keep breaking down this unit of this stuff, of this substance that still has the properties of carbon, and if you were to somehow break that down even further, somehow you would lose the properties of the carbon. And the answer is, there is. And so just to get our terminology, we call these different substances, that these pure substances that have these specific properties at certain temperatures and react in certain ways, we call them elements. Carbon, I'm just going to the ones that are very relevant at all times of all of them. This is oxygen, this is nitrogen, this is silicon, this is gold. This is lead, and that the most basic unit of any of these elements is the atom. So if we were to